said that the party strongly condemned and Mati Matra with the party program. He added that the vision is political engagement on behalf of vote bank considerations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India has fundamentally changed its approach from punishing corruption during the license Raj to rewarding it with the government's production-linked incentive PLI scheme. Addressing the economic times yesterday, Mr. Modi juxtaposed the destructive production-linked punishment model with the current PLI scheme, demonstrating how powerful the fundamentally changes in he also presented the success of the PLI scheme, which alone has attracted 2.5 lakh crore rupees in management investments, driven 22 lakh in production and sales, generated 14 lakh jobs.
हाँ ये सब चीज की मैं चला
Chief Justice of India, Surya today said that a justice system that delivers timely decisions builds global trust, strengthens ease of doing business, and makes the country more reliable for investment and economic growth. Addressing the 11th BRICS Leader Forum in New Delhi, Justice Surya said that strong institutions build a justice system to growth, providing trust, predictability, and stability through a steadfast commitment to the rule of law. Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, along with ministers and senior delegates from the BRICS countries, today visited the historic Lakonda Buddhist heritage site near Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Delegates visited ancient Buddhist ruins including the Mahastupa, meditation center, temples, and ritual areas. As part of the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign. The United States has imposed 50% tariffs on $20 billion worth of Canadian products. The tariffs come into effect today. Canada initially said it would retaliate after failure of last-minute talks to ease tensions between the two historic allies. The new US tariffs on products include hockey sticks and tongue depressors. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney said Canada would manage the tariffs border for border. Has issued a orange-color warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall over East Madhya Pradesh today. East Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh for the day. Similar weather conditions have also been forecast for Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Uttarakhand, and the northeastern part of India during the next 2 to 3 days. In the major World Badminton Championships, India's women's doubles pair of Teresa Gulade and Chandra
नहीं आवाज आ रहा है